Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see instant orange kalakand recipe. For this I am using 500 ml full fat cream milk and I am stirring it so that the milk little bit reduces, and once the milk starts boiling I'll be adding 2 to 3 oranges depending upon the size. So it must be 100 grams of sweet oranges. I have removed all the seeds and chopped into pieces and I'm just adding it. So since oranges are citric in nature, the milk will start curdling. So once the milk starts curdling, I'm mixing it everything thoroughly, and after 5 to 7 minutes I'm adding grated paneer. You can use homemade paneer or which is available in market. Today I'm using which I got from the local store. So I'm adding some 80 to 100 grams of paneer. So stir it continuously. I'm pressing it just firmly so that everything mixes really well. It combines us together. So after some 5 to 7 minutes, I am adding 100 grams of sugar. So once the sugar is added, it will release some water, which is very common. So I am stirring it continuously. Keep the flame in medium or you can keep it in sim. You can even use Milkmaid for this recipe. So if you are using Milkmaid, you can reduce the portion of sugar and you can use the Milkmaid for it. So today I am not using any Milkmaid, I am just adding sugar. So once everything binds together, we will be adding some 100 grams of milk powder to even more make it creamier and tasty. So the output of this kalakand should be very soft, juicy, and also it should be grainy in texture. So we need some patience really to do it. Keep the flame in low, and this recipe will take together almost 10 to 15 minutes and not more than that. Okay, once it is done, at this stage I am adding 100 grams of milk powder to it and mix it thoroughly. Meanwhile, you can take a bowl and grease it with some ghee and we can transfer the prepared mixture into it. So kalakand recipe, it is a very easy recipe and which can be done instantly, and you can refrigerate this for even 1 week and you can have it within 1 week. If you are keeping it outside, then you have to intake it by 3 to 4 days. You can use even mangoes instead of oranges. Now once it is done and it leaves out of the pan and everything has left out of the pan, now I am just transferring it to the ghee greased bowl. You can even add a pinch of cardamom powder to enhance the flavor or some vanilla essence as per your need and taste. So I'm just patting it little bit and giving it a shape and garnishing with some chopped badams. You can even use chopped pistas to garnish and refrigerate it for 1 hour. So after an hour, I'm just cutting. You can cut into desired shape. I'm just cutting in this way and you can serve it chilled. Thank you.